5 things you didn't know about blockchain. Bitcoin is not just digital money, that's a part of it. It's a blockchain. Blockchain is way more powerful and interesting than people giving it credit for. Let's break down 5 things you didn't know about blockchain, but absolutely should. Blockchains are permanent. Once something is added to a blockchain, it's permanent. You can't delete it ever. Not even the people who created it. This is called immutability, and it's what makes blockchains so powerful for things like finance, record keeping, and even law. Traditional databases can be hacked or altered. A single admin can go in and delete stuff. But on a blockchain, every block is sealed tight and linked to the one before it. It's like trying to edit a single word in a 1,000-page book. It doesn't live in one place. Most things you see, social media, banks, email, run on servers owned by companies. One database, one control center. If that server crashes or gets hacked, game over. Blockchain is decentralized. It doesn't live in one place. It lives everywhere, on thousands of independent computers called nodes. If one goes down, no big deal. The network keeps running. That's why Bitcoin has never been hacked. Not once. Because you would have to take over more than half the network at the same time, and that's really hard. Smart contracts, code that enforces rules. Most people think blockchain is just about money, but a real revolution, smart contracts. Smart contracts are little programs that run on the blockchain. They say, if this happens, then do that. Example, if someone sends 1 ETH, release NFT. If player wins game, send crypto reward. If this wallet signs, approve loan. And they do this automatically. No humans, no middlemen, no banks, lawyers, or apps that can ghost you. This is what powers DeFi. It's being used outside of crypto. Think blockchain is just for crypto bros? Think again. Walmart used it to track mangoes. What used to take 6 days now takes 2 seconds. That's food safety powered by blockchain. Even carbon tracking for environmental impact. It's not just about coins, it's about trust, without needing to trust anyone. So yeah, blockchain isn't just about coins and hype. It's about transparency, security, automation, and a whole lot more you might not expect. Like learning mind-blowing stuff about crypto and Web3 without the techie jargon. Subscribe and let's keep breaking it down.